Did you know that if your neighbour ignores your party wall notices, they are automatically deemed to dissent, forcing you to cover the cost of surveyors? Hi, my name's Faye and I'm a director at Harris & Clarke Chartered Surveyors. Today we're going to be talking about whether you should consent or dissent to a party wall notice. A party wall notice is a formal document that informs an adjoining neighbour of a building owner's planned construction work that could affect them. A building owner must issue a party wall notice to an adjoining owner if they are constructing on the line of junction, making alterations to the party wall, or excavating within 3 metres of the neighbouring property. If the work involves building on the line of junction or excavation within 3 metres, the notice must be served at least 1 month before starting the work. If the planned work directly affects the party wall or party structure, the notice must be served at least 2 months in advance. Along with the notice, the adjoining owner is provided with an acknowledgement form, with 3 options to respond to their proposals. The adjoining owner can either consent, dissent, and use an agreed surveyor, or dissent and appoint their own surveyor. If a neighbour returns their signed consenting form within the 14-day notice period, you will be free to carry on with your work. Consent essentially ends the procedures under the Party Wall Etc. Act 1996. It might still be worth preparing a photographic schedule of condition of your neighbour's property to protect both parties. This means that neighbours are far less likely to make spurious claims for damage, but also helps to protect your neighbour in the event that your construction work does cause damage to their property, as they can evidence the condition of their property before your work started. If a neighbour knows that they are able to make use of the protection of a scheduled condition, you might find them more willing to consent to your work without the expense involved in preparing a full party wall award. If there is justifiable cause such as damage to the neighbour's property and you can't resolve this issue between yourselves, the neighbour can retract their consent, at which point surveyors would need to be appointed and a party wall award to resolve that dispute will become necessary. In our experience, this is very unusual. When responding to the notices and dissenting, the neighbour is able to agree to use the building owner's appointed surveyor to act as agreed surveyor, whereby both parties' interests are represented by a single surveyor. This is an appropriate option for simple works where the adjoining owner wants the protection of the party wall award, but issues involved are unlikely to be contentious. They could also suggest another surveyor, their choice, to act as agreed surveyor. It doesn't have to be the same surveyor that prepared the initial notices. Alternatively, the adjoining owner is able to appoint their own separate surveyor. This means that the building owner will end up bearing the cost of 2 party wall surveyors. The 2 appointed surveyors will select a third surveyor, such that if the 2 surveyors are unable to agree on a certain point, they can defer to the third surveyor to make a decision in agreement with one of the appointed surveyors. This means that unless the award is made by an agreed surveyor, there are always 2 surveyors in agreement, which is designed to facilitate sensible decisions. If a neighbour does not consent to work within 14 days, they are deemed to have dissented. If, after serving a further notice requiring action within 10 days, no response is forthcoming, your surveyor will be able to make an appointment on the adjoining owner's behalf, such that their interests in the wall are represented by an independent third party. Once this appointment has been made, an award can progress in the usual way. No, the Party Wall Act is an enabling act designed to facilitate works, not breed conflict. As such, your neighbour is free to change their mind if they are happy with your proposals at any time. You should note that you will still be liable for time expended by your appointed surveyor, as this will be covered by a separate contractual agreement. You should contact a local party wall surveyor who has been recommended to you. Alternatively, one of our party wall surveyors at Harris & Clarke would be pleased to help you with your party wall issues over the phone on 023 8155 0051.